We're going to start our time value of money exercises with exercise 5-1. And this is the future value of a single amount of money. So in order to do the future value, we need table 1 from your book, which is this one. And these are in the very back of your book. I've just made copies from your book for my face-to-face classes when they take tests and stuff. You'll be given a copy of this for your exam. It's actually in the in the exam materials and when you take the second exam. So you'll have that there. And so we'll need this table 1. And so we have 4 scenarios. The first one is we have $15,000 at an interest rate of 6% and 12 periods. So what we do on this is we come over to the 6% column and then go down for 12 periods. You see those are listed on the left-hand side. So 6% at 12 periods is 2.01220. So you take 2.01220, multiply that by the $15,000. And when you do that, I end up with 30,183. Okay, now you can also do this on a calculator if you want. The formula is simply 1 plus the interest rate. Interest rate will be in decimals, so that 6% would be 0.06. And that is raised to the end, the number of periods. So in this case, we would have 1.06 raised to the 12th. And when I do that on my calculator, I also get the 2.012196. So you see we have a little bit of rounding difference between the calculator and the table, right? A very small amount. Let me go ahead and calculate that one out. So that's times 15,000. And I get 30,182 and 94 cents, 183. So we're 6 cents off using the table versus using the calculator, the full thing. So anyway, that's part 1. And then the next one, part 2, is 20,000 at 8% for 10 periods. So again, we're using the table 1, the future value of $1, and we're using 8% column times 10 periods. So we get 2.15892. And that was for a $20,000 amount. And that will come out to 43,178 and 40 cents. The next one that we have, number 3, is $30,000 times 12% for 20 periods. So the 12% is all the way over here, and that was for 20 periods. And you'll notice on the periods it goes 1 through 20, and then it does 21, 25, 30, and 40. All right. So we're going to use the 12% column times 20 years, and that's 9.64629. And our amount of principal was $30,000. Multiply that out. and I get 289,386 and 87 cents. You can just round that up to 387 if you want. That's fine. On that one. And then the fourth one on exercise 5 is 50,000 at 4% for 12 periods. So we start with the 50,000. We need the 4% column for 12 periods. So we go down here, 4% for 12 periods is 1.60103. And when I multiply that one out, I get 80,051 and 50 cents. All right, so that is exercise number 1. Next, we'll look at the present values in exercise 3.